Hello my students in Prep 1. Today inshallah we are going to talk about how to answer the final exam. Okay, the first question is listening. Listen and choose the correct answer from A, B, C or D. So my students, listen to me carefully. Listening text. Heidi is the story of an orphan girl. She goes to live with her grandfather in Switzerland. Her grandfather is an old man. He lives in a small house in the mountains and has lots of goats. He sleeps in a bed in the attic of the house. She drinks goat's milk and eats bread and cheese. Okay, again. Listening text. Heidi is the story of an orphan girl. She goes to live with her grandfather in Switzerland. Her grandfather is an old man. He lives in a small house in the mountains and has lots of goats. He sleeps in a bed in the attic of the house. She drinks goat's milk and eats bread and cheese. Okay, now let's answer the questions. Why did Heidi go to live with her grandfather? Of course, she is orphan. Number 2. Where did her grandfather live? Of course, in a small house. Number 3. Where did Heidi sleep? Of course, in the attic. Number 4. What did she drink? Yes, she drinks milk. Question number 2. Complete the following dialogue. First of all, we should read the whole dialogue and guess the words in the gaps. This dialogue is between Basim and Frida. Basim, who is your best friend, Farida? Farida, she is Amal, my cousin. Basim, how space is she? Farida, she's 13 years old. Basim, what are her space subjects? Farida, she likes science and math. Basim, what is her favorite space? Farida, she space basketball. Basim, is she tall? Farida, yes, she space. Now, okay, my students, now let's answer the questions. Basim, who is your best friend Farida? Farida, she is Amal, my cousin. Basim, how old is she? Okay, how old is she? Farida, she is 13 years old. Basim, what are her favorite subjects? Farida, she likes science and math. Basim, what is her favorite sport? Farida, she likes basketball. She likes. She likes basketball. Basim, is she tall? Farida, yes, she is. Yes, she is. Question number 3. Question number 3 is a comprehension. Read the following passage and then answer the questions. Okay, I am Ziad, and this is a picture of my classroom. We often use tablets in school. There are two laptop computers in the classroom. 2. One laptop has got a mouse. I don't know why it is called a mouse. And there is a printer too. I have got a mobile phone in my bag. I don't use it in the class. Mr. Osman has got a phone on his desk. He's charging his phone with a phone charger. And he has got a new MP3 player. It's small and blue. Can you see it? Now, my students, let's answer the questions. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What is Mr. Osman doing? Of course, he is charging his mobile. What is Mr. Osman doing? He is charging his mobile. Question number 2. Is it important to use computer at school? Yes, it is. Question number 3. What are the means of technology mentioned in the passage? Okay, for example, MP3 player, printer, phone, and so on. Okay, choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. The underlined pronoun it refers to MP3 player, printer, phone, phone charger. Yes, MP3 player. Okay. Question number 5. Osman is a teacher, a student, former classmate. Of course, Osman is a teacher. Question number 6. You can print your homework using a mouse, MP3 player, printer, phone. Yes, printer. You can use printer. Question number 4. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1. My friend is Space Ali. Given, cold, aged, thrown. Of course, my friend is called Ali. Number 2. So has Space like swimming? Don't, isn't, aren't, doesn't. Of course, doesn't. Suha doesn't like. Number 3. My father has Space a smartphone. My father has got, has gets, has getting. Yes, my father has got. Number 4. We go to Space to read books. We go to hotel. We go to court. We go to library. We go to art room to read books. Of course, we go to library. Number 5. A space is a big strong building from the past. A souvenir, castle, desert, hotel. Of course, a castle is a big strong building from the past. Alice is a space character in the story. Male, man, main, male. Of course, Alice is the main character in the story. Number 7. Omar plays the violin in a famous space. In a famous bank, band, hospital, library. Of course, in a famous band. Number 8. Computers and the mobile phone are examples of subjects, nature, technology, farming. Of course, technology. Togen is a traditional sport, hobby, drink, meal. Of course, traditional meal. Question number 10. There are a lot of trees in the jug, jungle, weather, sky. Of course, there are a lot of trees in the jungle. Question number 5. Read and correct the underlined words. That car belongs to our uncle. It's him. Of course, not him, but it's his. Number 2. We should drink a lot of water. Of course, isn't drinks, but drank. Why? Because should plus infinitive verb. Number 3. No, there aren't some figs. Of course, not some, but any. Number 4. He is playing now. Not play, but playing. Question number 6. Write a paragraph of 8 words on your family. In this question, we should write any suitable sentences not less than 8 words. Okay, thank you. See you later.